A bench planer is an essential woodworking machine designed to create smooth, flat, and uniform wood surfaces with precision and ease. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this compact yet powerful tool can significantly improve the quality of your projects. The main function of a bench planer is to reduce wood thickness evenly while removing rough spots, warping, and surface imperfections. With sharp, rotating cutter blades and an adjustable depth control, it ensures consistent results every time. Simply feed the wood through the planer, and it comes out clean, smooth, and perfectly leveled. Most bench planers feature a strong motor that delivers high cutting speed, allowing you to handle hardwood and softwood efficiently. The adjustable cutting depth helps you control how much material is removed in each pass, reducing waste and preventing damage to the wood. Many models also include automatic feed rollers for smooth and steady operation. Safety is another important aspect of a bench planer. Built-in blade guards, overload protection, and stable bases help ensure safe use during operation. For best results, always wear safety glasses and keep your hands away from the cutting area. One of the biggest advantages of a bench planer is its compact size. It fits easily on a workbench, making it ideal for small workshops or home garages. Despite its size, it delivers professional-level performance for furniture making, cabinet work, and general woodworking tasks. Maintenance is simple and cost-effective. Regular blade cleaning and occasional blade replacement keep the planer running smoothly and efficiently.